Lenovo ThinkPad X280 laptop stuck on BIOS settings. How to fix. In this video I have Lenovo ThinkPad X280 laptop. So first thing to do is try to use an external USB keyboard to test. The problem is when you power on the laptop, it automatically brings you here in BIOS settings. Even all the keys on the keyboards are not responding. Mostly all the keyboards of Lenovo ThinkPad models are very similar. So you can also use this video as reference in other Lenovo ThinkPad models with same problems. As you can see, it's now working on external USB keyboard. Now let's try to check if the hard drives is still detected. There's the SSD hard drives, it's still present. Sometimes when your laptop is automatically bringing you to BIOS, there's a possibility that your laptop can't detect the hard drives. So the tendency is every time you power on the laptop, it'll go directly to the BIOS settings. So it's better also to check the hard drives just to make sure. Now I'm going to remove the USB keyboard. So upon my checking, my conclusions is to replace the keyboards. I am pretty sure that this keyboard is defective. Let me check the bottom cover, if there's a screws connected to the keyboard that we need to remove. Now let's start to remove this keyboard. Please watch the video of how I'll remove and replace the keyboard. Just ignore the red inks on my fingers. I'm finished repairing printer a while ago. Take note that there's two pieces of screws hidden under this left and right click buttons. I'm using a small Phillips precision screws to remove it. Be careful when removing this ribbon flex. There's Arabic letters on the keys. I think this laptop is come from Arab country. Now here's the brand new keyboard that I'm gonna install. As we can see, this keyboard doesn't have extra characters because this keyboard is US version. So this video tutorials is not only for replacing keyboard, it also shows how to convert the Arabic keyboard to US versions. And take note that most of Lenovo ThinkPad keyboards have an analog joystick at the center. So be sure that you will buy the correct keyboards, because there's also available with no analog sticks, so be careful when buying it. Now let's install the brand new keyboard. The keyboard installation is finished. Now I'm gonna testing it. Now all the keys are working, and the keyboard replacements are done and works like a charm.